Here are some trending news in Nigeria for you. Rivers State Chief Judge, Justice Simeon Amadi, has declined the House of Assembly's request to set up a judicial panel to investigate Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his deputy, Ngozi Odu, citing an existing court order. The Assembly had sought a 7-member panel to probe allegations of gross misconduct, but the Chief Judge's decision underscores rising tensions between the legislative and judicial arms of government in the state. The United States has called on the Nigerian government to step up efforts to protect Christian communities following the abduction of over 170 worshippers in Kaduna State. Speaking during a high-level United States and Nigeria meeting in Abuja, U.S. officials stressed the need for stronger security measures, accountability for perpetrators, and sustained action to curb religiously motivated violence across affected regions. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission recovered 1.284 billion naira from Dr. Olasijibomi Ogundele, Chief Executive Officer of Sujimoto Luxury Construction Limited, after a petition by Governor Peter Mba's administration over unexecuted smart schools contracts. The recovered funds were returned to Enugu State, and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, through Zonal Director Daniel Ise, pledged continued investigations and accountability enforcement. In Sokoto, Governor Ahmed Aliyu and the European Union launched a child-centered social protection model backed by the United Nations Children's Fund and the International Labour Organization to strengthen support for vulnerable children and households. The initiative enhances the National Social Register for tracking education, health and nutrition indicators, aiming to improve welfare outcomes across communities. The National Emergency Management Agency recorded 87 relief operations in 2025 for 17,000 displaced by banditry, floods, storms, fires and clashes across Nigeria's northwest, according to Zonal Director Sani Lokoja. Kaduna had the most interventions, followed by Sokoto and Kano, with support provided alongside state and local governments to stabilize communities. Banks in Nigeria recorded a sharp decline in fraud losses, dropping by 51% to 25.85 billion naira in 2025, despite a slight rise in reported incidents. Internet and mobile banking channels remained the most targeted, with internet banking accounting for the highest losses. Lagos continued to rank as the leading fraud hotspot nationwide, prompting a renewed anti-fraud drive nationally. For more trending news in Nigeria, subscribe to our channel, follow and visit us at diasporanews.ng.